Well, our Bluebird Visions, the 2025 ones came in today. Someone's already on that bus. Someone's already on that one. But let's get off, walk around. 2025 gasoline Bluebird Vision school bus. Yeah. I mean, it kind of feels weird now just seeing Mingo County having two Bluebird Visions. I think we're supposed to be having more too coming in pretty soon. It has the, I mean, LED lights and all that stuff. That's here's the inside of it. Switch over there, parking brake. See the date on this. Built in 2024. Also has air conditioning, cameras. Again, as I said, it kind of feels weird knowing that Mingo County now has two Bluebird Visions, because we've literally had straight up internationals, or aka ICCEs and REs for how long now? The child check button. I mean, again, as I said, it just kind of feels weird now. It feels weird. But yeah, brand new. Brand spanking new. Wow. And also overhead storage compartment. Yeah, but yep. Wait, door release is on the side. That's weird. I mean that is a typical Bluebird stuff, but I mean I guess I do kind of find it pretty useful, because instead of it being on the door. But yeah. It also has the Bluebird lights and all that stuff. Yeah. These two Bluebird gasoline Visions are in today. Well, thank you all for watching.